Welcome from South Carolina. We're in Cleveland Park, South Carolina. I'm with my buddy Jason.
Oh, yeah.
He forgot his pit viper glasses. Uh-oh. So much for that promo giveaway. What we're gonna do is we're gonna ride from Cleveland Park to downtown Greenville. We're gonna go across the suspended bridge and hit Limoncello's on the other side of downtown. Shouldn't take us long. Cleveland Park is in Greenville, South Carolina, and that's where the zoo is. Beautiful area. People out working out, having fun. Just out for a good old time. Running around along the Reedy River. Coming around you. Everybody's interested in E.T.C. So I think if we were to run on that Swamp Rabbit Trail right there, we'd end up at Conisty Park. Instead, we're gonna circumvent this a little bit here. I want to do the little back route before we get onto the Swamp Rabbit. I am tethered off again. You can see it on my hip here. Tethered off, I love it. I feel so much more secured with it. All right, so we're getting ready to be on the Swamp Rabbit Trail in just a few minutes. Let's ride across the way here. I'm gonna go ahead and drop into this grass just for a little bit of fun. That's where the two rivers come together at down there. It's pretty neat. We'll be following the Reedy River all the way up to downtown Greenville. Oh, 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 oh. How you doing back there, Jason? In this little bushy outcrop here, it's a horseshoe sitting area. I took the horse-drawn cart all the way down here and proposed to my wife right there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. He did a little extra run for me. Let's get a little closer to the Reedy River here to see what it looks like. All right, so Cleveland Park has a bunch of mountain biking trails. I'll have to make some videos of those in the coming months to come. But now we're on the Swamp Rabbit Trail, going over the oldest bridge in Cleveland Park. How you doing today? All right. This is, around this corner, is one of my most favorite places in Greenville to come to. It's because of the MIG over there. MIG is awesome. On your left. People have earphones in these days. Check that out. That's awesome. I love this plane. I remember coming here when I was a kid. It is awesome. How you guys doing today? Doing well. Love having an EUC. So much freedom. Uh-oh, uh-oh. How you guys doing today?
Hey, how's it going, man?
We got a little sandy soil around here. They've been working on this park for years. When I moved back to Greenville in '97, we really didn't have a Reedy River or the Swamp Rabbit. They've done a wonderful job with Greenville. The geese with the babies. We've done a great job here. Beautiful park. How you guys doing today? Pretty good. On your left, coming around you. So we're coming into downtown Greenville. It's a beautiful park. They've put a lot of work into it. A whole lot of work into it. There used to be an old cabin here. It has been washed away for many, many, many days. People just hanging out, enjoying the weekend. Beautiful weekend. This is the governor's school up on the hill. On your right. That's okay. We'll come around you. How you doing today? So we're downtown Greenville, Falls Park, and it has plenty of people here today. It is gorgeous. You may have to get off and push these things up a stair or two. I doubt it. You have to go a little slow. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go up underneath the suspended bridge. Ooh, we are busy today. 150-mile range. Yeah.
That bridge right there?
Coming around you. on your left. Our suspended bridge, the Reedy Rivers Falls. It's Falls Park. All the geese. So we're getting ready to go under downtown Main Street. All of this has been revitalized. It's a beautiful downtown area. Hey, big boy. All right, we're going to an Italian restaurant, which is called Limoncello's. I'm going to take the quick way down. If you want to take the long way down, you're more than welcome. There you go. Got it, boy. Got it on camera, too. There you go. Jason's first stair drop. So they do a lot of weddings, and this is our amphitheater here. It's beautiful. Larkin's on the water, I think. I think it's still Larkin's on the water. Let's see if we can get around this mess down here. They have all these vehicles. We're almost to Limoncello's. There we go. Boy, you weren't gonna let me show you up on them stairs, were you? Awesome. So that's our destination across the street there, Limoncello's. Go get some meatballs and some limoncello drinks. Limoncello's. Awesome. Let's figure out what we're gonna eat, where we're gonna eat. Downtown Greenville. Peace out.